Hey guys, so as you can see, I'm not able to open the boot from the sensor here nor from inside the door panel. So mostly the problem is with this latch. So this latch has got a motorized unlocking mechanism, and that's get jammed or broken, and hence you're not able to open this. So to diagnose this, you will have to open the latch from here. These are the two screws. I think these are T45 screws which removes the latch. But in order to remove this latch from the housing, as you see here, you will have to remove the panel here. So this is usually the panel that is put here. I have removed this panel. So for a quick overview on how I removed the panel, so this panel is hooked up to the boot with the help of two screws, one there and another one here. And I'll show you the screws. These are the two T20 screws which hold this panel in place. I have used a T20 Allen key. You can use a T20 screwdriver as well. And now I can access this latch. So you can see that is the latch there, and this is the sensor or the button mechanism. Okay, and this is the latch which is having the issue. So I will remove the latch. So in order to remove the latch, these two screws needs to be opened up, and I will use this T45. Yeah, this is T45 to remove the latch. Let me remove this and then we'll open this up. So I have loosened the screws here. Now let's remove the latch. So in order to remove the latch, you will also have to undo this clip from here, and now you simply pull this out like this, and this is the latching mechanism, and this is the part number 6RU827505C. So if you can see on the latch, it is both motorized as an electronic using this cable, and the mechanical cable is also there. This is for unlocking it by the key. So I had unlocked it by using the key. So the key unlock is working, which is the manual override is working, but there is supposed to be a motor here in this body which runs this latch, locks or unlocks mostly. So that has failed, right? Let me again try to run this. So the motor is running, but it has become free from the unlocking mechanism. So usually in these cases you will have to replace this part, the entire latch, because this is not repairable. Even if you try to repair it, it will work only for a few months, right? So I had bought the exact same part, latch, and this is the newer one, the same part number 6RU87505C. This costed me around 4,000, yeah, around 4,000 rupees. It's pretty expensive, but changing is what you have to do. So if I open the packet, this is the newer one, exactly same model, right? So if you can see, this is the electrical connector and the cable goes in here, this housing, right? So let us install this back. So now in order to remove the clip, you don't have to push in here, you just have to pull this back gently and it will just come out. If you try to push it from the sides, it will break. Okay, so I just removed the cable from here, and the way it is removed is you need to press on this red tab clip from here all the way down, and then you just grab the wire and pull it out. It will come out from the locks here. We can see the locks, these two locks. So this is the older unit. Let me put back the new unit. So now the way you need to seat the cable in is push on this tab. When these things align, grab the cable here, push this ball in this, and if you can see these, there are two clips here. To seat this inside, like to press on this. So basically this tab goes into this clips, the ball goes in here, and then you remove it. So now this is seated here. Clicking in the connector is damn easy. You just need to put the connector back here. Ensure that these grooves here are matching the grooves on the outside. Just put it back. And now if I press the cable, if I press the switch, you see it clicks instead of doing that groovy noise. So let me install this back. So now I have tightened up these screws here. It is not loose anymore. And before finally putting up the panel back, let us test this motor once, right? So let me show you. Closed, opened up. So this is all, folks. I will now torque this back and put on the black panel here and put this clip here as well. So guys, if you can see, this is how you put the panel back, right? So in order to remove the panel, you just pull it down from here, insert a plastic tab here and just pull it down. There are steel tabs which will come out, and these are the screw holders. We put back the screw.